Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Webex meetings on your laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Open your web browser. Next, go to the official Webex website. Type www.webex.com in the address bar and press enter. It's important to use the official website to make sure your download is safe. Once the website opens, look at the top menu and click on download. Here you will see Webex meeting listed. Click on download for Windows if you are using a Windows laptop, or download for Mac if you are on a Mac. After clicking the download button, your setup file will start downloading. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder or the location where the file was saved. Double click the file to start installing Webex meetings. A window may pop up asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click yes to continue. Now the Webex installer will open. Click next, follow the instruction and then click install. The installation process will usually finish in less than a minute. When it's done, click finish. Now Webex meeting is installed on a laptop. You can open it from the start menu or desktop shortcut and sign in to start joining or hosting meeting. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Webex meeting on your laptop. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.